What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. So ito yung 2 weeks ago na performance ng ASAP Champions na hindi ko na-react na parang naka-green sila. Yung motif ng outfit is naka-green. So I think maraming nagsuggest sa akin kasi daw ang ganda daw ng segment na to, itong performance na to. So today we're going to do that. We're going to make a reaction video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly
Bagay sa kanya yung
it's
kanta.
hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful, no
Jason D.
matter what they say. Words can't bring me down.
Galing.
I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. Oh,
Beautiful.
so don't you bring me down today.
Vibrato, the modulation. Sarap.
To all your friends, your delirious, so consumed in all your time, trying hard to feel the emptiness. Is this heart left the puzzle undone, and I waited. You are beautiful, no matter what they say.
Queen Jonah.
Words can't bring you down. No, you are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring you down. Oh no.
Fantastic tone. Sarap sa tenga.
Bring me down today.
No matter what you do, no matter what we say,
Ayan, Bardagulan.
Summer lights always shine.
we are beautiful.
Solid.
No matter what they say, yes, words can bring us down. We are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring us down. So don't you bring me down today.
Solid.
Don't you bring me down today.
Beautiful.
Everybody's
Nice.
looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete.
JM.
You find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the face of their children,
JM. Galing.
some find it in the love.
Linis talaga kumanta.
Who can deny the joy it brings when you found that special things? You're flying without wings.
Parang tawag na tanghalan lang, no?
Some find it cherry every morning. Some in their solitary lives. You find it in the words of others. make you laugh or cry. You find it in the deepest friendship, the kind you cherish all your life. You know how much that means. You found that special thing. You're flying without wings.
Actually, pwede silang boy bands.
So impossible as they may seem, you've got to fight for every dream. 'Cause who's to know which one you let go? Who made you complete? Well,
Nice, Kimo.
it's waking up beside you to watch the sunrise on your face, to know that I can say I love you in any given time or place. Yeah, it's the little things that only I know.
Pumasok pala ulit sila, Jed.
Things that make you mine. And it's like flying without wings. 'Cause you're my special thing. I'm flying.
Grabe naman si Jed. Walang upas yung high notes niya, no?
And you'll be wearing it. I'm flying without wings. And that's the joy you bring. Every place my life begins, and you'll be wearing it. I'm flying without
Nice. Pero gulat ako dun kay Jed, ha?
Young girl, don't cry.
Like Australia to.
I'll be right here when your world starts to fall.
Alam na alam ko yung tone niya, eh.
Young girl, it's alright.
Lang, ganda niya ngayon. Bumagay yung ano, buhok niya. Sa ganda ng makeup niya ngayon. Mariel. Alam na alam ko, eh, yung mga boses nila, no? Beautiful.
No one ever was above us to explain all the heartache life can bring and what it means.
Very sweet
When
talaga.
there's no one else looking
Sherin,
like yourself.
Ito, pang contest talaga to siya, eh.
Like your own desperate, just trust the voice within. Then you'll find the strength.
The one and only
Find your way.
Queen Cat.
You learn to begin to trust that voice within. Life is a journey. You're gonna
Clarice?
take your hand, you are, you choose
Clarice
to
nga.
go. As long as you learn it, you'll find your help. I need to know.
Joe na to.
You'll make it, you'll break it.
Oh,
Just don't forsake it because no one can stop you. You know that I'm talking to you. When there's no one else like inside yourself, like your own desperate, just trust the voice within.
oh, nice.
Find the strength that will rise
Nice. I love it. I'm really impressed sa mga new gen talaga, no. I'm impressed, ha. As much as I love the veterans, no, yun talaga mga established na sa industriya, Jonah, Jed, Miss Katrina. I know that Miss Katrina, para sa akin, siguro lately lang na parang nabibigyan ng break at napapansin talaga si Miss Katrina, which I am so happy for her, no? But hindi ko siya makonsider na new gen divas kasi matagal ko nang alam na magaling siya. Matagal ko nang alam kasi if I'm not mistaken, sumali siya ng contest sa Pinoy Dream Academy. If I'm not mistaken, dun pa lang alam ko na magaling siya, no? I do not consider her as new gen. I consider her as veteran. Yet dahil nga lately lang siya parang nabibigyan ng break, nabibigyan ng pansin. So kabilang siya sa new gen champs or nabibilang siya doon sa, new gen, okay, na mga divas. But I really consider her as veteran already and very established. At alam niyo naman, no, vocal capacity, vocal ability niya, man, it's so good. And Mariel, JM, Laika, I'm very happy na nabibigyan talaga ng break yung mga champions at yung mga deserving na mga mabigyan ng break, no, dito sa ASAP. Kasi nga may iba na parang nag-champion nga pero hindi naman pinapahalagahan, no. Sayang yung talento. Hindi nila na-cultivate, hindi nila naalagaan ng maayos yung talent. It was just a waste, no? Parang wala lang. Sayang yung talento, sayang yung panahon, and I appreciate what ABS-CBN is doing sa kanilang mga talents, lalo na sa entertainment, lalo na sa mga singers nila. But this was, again, beautiful, and I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.